So, the OnePlus 15 is gearing up for an official launch in China very soon, and excitement is already building among fans. While OnePlus has yet to confirm the exact release date, the upcoming flagship has now been spotted on Singapore's IMDA, Infocom Media Development Authority certification site, a strong indicator that the launch isn't far off. This listing not only hints at the global variant, but also confirms support for 5G, LTE, Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi connectivity, suggesting that OnePlus is nearly ready to take the wraps off its next major release. According to multiple reports, the OnePlus 15 is expected to debut in China later this month, with leaks pointing to an October 27th launch date, followed by a possible global unveiling on November 13th. The phone is already up for pre-reservations in China, which usually signals that an official event is just around the corner. The IMDA appearance further strengthens that theory. The global certification process typically happens only weeks before launch. OnePlus has already confirmed a few exciting details about the device. The OnePlus 15 will run on Qualcomm's latest and most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, the same processor expected to power many 2026 Android flagships. It will also boot into ColorOS 16 based on Android 16 out of the box, promising a smoother, smarter user experience. On the display front, the OnePlus 15 will feature a 165Hz OLED panel, ensuring ultra-fluid visuals that gamers and heavy users will love. Battery life also seems to be getting a major upgrade this year. Earlier leaks claimed that the phone could sport a massive 7300 mAh battery, one of the largest ever on a OnePlus flagship, with support for 120 watts wired fast charging and 50 watts wireless charging. This means users could fully charge the phone in minutes rather than hours. This would make the OnePlus 15 one of the fastest charging flagships of 2025. Design-wise, the phone is said to arrive in a new original Dune colorway, adding a unique aesthetic twist to the lineup. Rumors also suggest an IP68 rating, built for dust and water resistance, giving it the durability expected from a premium flagship. On the optics front, OnePlus is reportedly going all out with a triple rear camera system, featuring three 50-megapixel sensors, including a periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for sharper and more detailed long-range shots. With its cutting-edge specs, sleek design, and powerful hardware, the OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated Android flagships of the year. Judging by how close we are to launch, fans won't have to wait long to see everything OnePlus has packed into this beast of a smartphone. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.